2026 GMC Yukon XL. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.